for her to wear my friend's sleeve. So we come and visited and play with Jaden's friend. Hey Jaden, where are your tuck? You did not wear your tuck again? Are you sure? Put your hoodie on then. I think Adrian is over that way. Adrian. So how is it? It's fast, right?
Yes, it did not go smoothly though.
Yeah, that's better. Oh, I think that's Adrian. I'm not really sure if that's Adrian.
Probably that one.
Hindi nung guys.
Majority of the people took that.
Oh yeah. Now you can enjoy. Okay, I'll take you a video from here. Okay ka lang, pre? Oh no! Okay, let's go. Ace, Sikat, you wanna come? Let's go. You took this one. You take this one.
Okay, are you sure about this?
Yeah, take it.
Are you sure this is tight?
Yeah. Don't move a lot.
Hey,
Okay, there's three of us.
What do you mean 3 of us?
See Tobogganing.
That doesn't mean there's 3 people.
4 of us.
4 people. Yeah, you get on the front actually.
Oh no, it's hard. It's more safer if you are in the front.
Why?
Mom can control the.
Yo, what's up, buddy?
Kamusta?
Hey, look at this.
Oh my God!
Hey, look at this.
Mama! Hang on! It's getting heavier!
Alright, I guess we're going.
Put it higher. No, more. Like that. Okay, like that's the best.
Alright, hopefully we don't crash and send this phone flying into space.
Okay.
Alright.
Are you ready?
Are you ready to rumble?
Take 3 of us. Four of us. Okay.
Yeah, I have to do this.
2, 3. Let's go. Jaden.
I used you as a shield.
Oh my God.
I used you as a shield for the second impact.
Don't move a lot. There's Adrian.
Hey, Broken Bone Simulator.
It's so. Don't move a lot.
No. I'm going to interview him.
Okay, take the video.
Hey, I'm interviewing you. Sorry it's slipping. Alright, what do you have to say for yourself? What do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel about asking? This is an interview. This is an official interview.
I already broke 3 bones with my kicked arm because the sled ran over my arm.
That's good for you.
Yeah, I know, right?
That's extremely unhealthy.
I'm so healthy.
Hey, owner of the channel, I'm interviewing you.
Oh no.
How-
yeah, this
Oh,
is
I
really.
want to interview you. Get on.
Ninang Mildred, you interview Ninang Mildred. Or Ninong
Have
Mildred.
fun.
Hello.
And how do we?
Move a lot. Camera.
No, you move too much.
How do we
Yeah.
see it?
It's fun.
Yeah, that's the hill that we went. So, and I want to show it to you. Hang on. And that's my friend. Oh, where's Maring Mildred? Oh, there, that's my friend. They're family friends. And Paring Benz, Adrian. And yeah, and this is the community.
Bye.
Bye guys. Hey, you wanna say bye?
See you next time.
Jaden, bye. Adrian.
Adrian, say hi. See you next time.